बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय चैनल आर टू लर्न। इस वीडियो में हम लेक्चरर कॉमर्स का जो पेपर हुआ था पीपीएससी की तरफ से BS 17 का 2012 में वॉर्म करेंगे। इससे पहले वाली वीडियो में मैंने आपको कॉमर्स का तमाम सिलेबस बताया है और साथ एक वीडियो में आपको 2011 के कॉमर्स का पेपर भी हलशुदा आपको दिखाया है। इस वीडियो में हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, जैसे कि आपको सिलेबस पता चल गया होगा, आपने पास साल पेपर भी देख लिया होगा मेरी वीडियोज़ में। अभी हम एक पेपर करेंगे। पहले मैं क्वेश्चन रीड करूंगी, आप खुद अंदाज़ा लगाएंगे आपको कितने क्वेश्चन आते हैं और फिर इन क्वेश्चन के आंसर जो हैं वीडियो के एंड में आपको पता चल जाएंगे। अगर आपको आते हो तो साथ साथ आप कमेंट सेक्शन में हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर लिखते जाएं। इससे आपकी प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगी, आपका माइंड बिल्कुल रिफ्रेश हो जाएगा, आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा कि आपको कितना नॉलेज है कॉमर्स का और कितनी आपकी तैयारी है और मज़ीद आपको कितनी करनी है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। उससे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, मुझे मोटिवेशन मिले, मैं मज़ीद आपके लिए वीडियो बनाऊं और अपने फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली सर्कल सब में आप मेरे चैनल को शेयर लाजमी कीजिएगा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन केस ऑफ डायरेक्टर फेल टू अपॉइंट फर्स्ट ऑडिटर, द शेयर होल्डर शैल अपॉइंट देम एट द पासिंग अ रेजोल्यूशन, a general meeting, a first annual general meeting, statutory meeting, annual general meeting. Which of the following is true about explanatory notes? आगे ऑप्शन आप रीड कर लें। दीज आर गिवन बाय डायरेक्टर ऑफ कंपनी, दीज आर गिवन टू एडहेयर टू रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ सेक्शन 211, these are given by auditor of the company in auditor report. The statutory auditor of a government company submit his report to the BODs of the company, the C and AG, the legislature, the company secretary. Question number 4 है, in order to vouch which of the expenses the auditor will examine bill of entry, custom, excise duty, sale tax, income tax. Which of the following asset is least likely to be subject to lien? Freehold land, plant and machinery, leasehold property, motor vehicle. The performance of test of control is documented in audit programmer, flow chart, working paper, any of the above. Verification include checking vouchers, examining audit report, none of the above. Internal control is totally synonyms with internal check, internal audit, none of above, none of these. Or contract with an aligned company is valid, void, legal, illegal, voidable. When an inferior right available to a party merge into a superior right available to a same party under another contract is merger, insolvency, material alteration, novation. Question number 11 है, agent undertakes to bear the risk of bad debts on credit sale made by him in consideration of extra remuneration, factor, del creditor, agent, broker, indenter. An order to writing by creditor upon his debtor requiring him to pay a certain sum of money to a specific person, promissory note, bill of exchange, check, pro note. Question number 13 है हमारे पास, any individual, firm or company engage in the business of transporting for hire is option है common carrier, private carrier, carrier transporter. Question number 14, in case of foreigners act done in the name of the company are valid, void, ab initio, none of the above. What is minimum period of which deposit can be issued? 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, none of above. Company to accept call advance from shareholder, they should have permission in MOA, memorandum of association, article of association, BOD, none of these. Question number ये हमारा 16 था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 है, रीइश्यू डिबेंचर आर ट्रीटेड एज न्यू डिबेंचर फॉर पर्पज ऑन डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट, इनकम टैक्स, स्टैम्प ड्यूटी, नन ऑफ द अबव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 था, फेलियर टू कन्वेंस AGMU 166 पेनल्टी विल बी, आप ऑप्शन देख लें. मेजोरिटी रूल्स इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल व्हेन द एक्ट डन इज इलीगल, द एक्ट डन इज अल्ट्रा वायरिस, द कंपनी, द एक्ट डन constitute of fraud, all of the above. Question number 20 है, which one or more of the following resolution need not to be filled with the registrar? Speculative, special resolution of board relating to appointment of a managing director, or resolution approving the appointment of sole selling agent, and ordinary resolution. Question number 21, in payroll include the remuneration of director labor, indirect labor, both A and B, none of the above. At what time save of the standard time, both Rahman plan and Harsley plan pay the same amount of bonus, 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%. Cast charge department shoe in CPR Total department cost per unit cost of finished good both A and B. बस स्टैंड लिमिटेड परचेज, ये क्वेश्चन आपने सॉल्व करना है, इसको पढ़ लें। क्वेश्चन 25 है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ मेजर फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, बजटिंग, कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग, इंटरनल ऑडिटिंग। Question number 26, in manufacturing company, which of the budget will be normally be prepared first in the budget preparation cycle? The stock budget, the production budget, the cash flow forecast, the sale budget. Which of the following cost qualification method is not relevant in decision making? Direct and indirect, fixed and variable, controllable and non-controllable, avoidable and non-avoidable. What does the following definition best describe? A system that tracks the accumulates the actual cost attribute to the product from time that they are originally commenced until the time that they are finally abandoned. Life cycle budgeting, life cycle costing, total product costing, total absorption costing. Under which of the following labor remuneration method will be direct labor cost always be a variable cost? Day rate, piece rate, differential piece rate, group bonus scheme. Process costing is irrelevant to cement industry, job order cost oriented projects, all of the above, none of these. A segment of the business that generate both revenue and cost is called profit center, cost driver, all of these. Question number 32 है, the board shape of a production possibility curve illustrate the law of increasing marginal cost. The production is inefficient, the production is unattainable, the demand is relatively inelastic. Which of the following is true about the way by which SDG and E has been regulated by the PUC? Option of read कर लें. Which of the following tax is regressive? फिर next क्वेश्चन था, according to Keynes, when the Great Depression started, the government should have done nothing, decrease money supply, hold a large increase in government spending, enact high traffic such as smooth heavy highway tariff. Which of the following is most likely to benefit a venture increase in oil price such as the ones occurring in 1973 and 1979 will cause inflation and expansion, inflation and recession, recession and deflation, expansion and deflation. The largest transfer of federal budget is defense, education, social security, welfare policy. The largest tax collected at federal government level is the income tax, sale tax, property tax, social security tax. According to the monetarists, in the long run, the Phillips curve is vertical होता है. Which of the following explanation the impressed system of operating petty cash? Question number 42 the basis of accounting that required that revenue is recorded when earned, a matter when cash is received, and expense are recorded when incurred, no matter when cash is paid, are called the amount that an essential asset is accepted to be worth at the end of productive life is called. Question number 44 था, the bill the seller of goods sent to the buyer of the goods that identify and describe the goods and how they will be delivered to the seller referred as sale voucher, sales order, sale invoices, none of these. Question number 46 है, which two of the following will be classified as non-current asset for a dealer in computer equipment? A check paid by you but not yet passed through banking system. और question number 47 है, retained earning is synonym to accumulated profit and loss, profit for the year, all of the above, none of these. तो accumulated profit को बोलते हैं retained earning. Question number 48 है, combination can be best described as 49 है, which of the following statement is correct in relation to trial balance? 50 आप रीड करें, इसमें न्यूमेरिकल है, आपने सॉल्व करना है. 51 है, which of the following is not a characteristics of a cash book? 52 a profit making service sector entire entity records what is originally contributed by its shareholders in which account. A discount offered by a seller to encourage early payment by buyer to the seller referred to sales discount. The buyer is called. The debtor collection period in days was 43, 45, 50, 58. Which of the following item is unlikely to be found in director report for a limited company? A method of sharing net income that recognize how much work was done by each partner is called. An interest-bearing security that represent debt to the issuing corporation is called share bond. Both and be none of the above. Which of the following will not equate the future value of cash inflow to the present value of cash outflow. Question number 59, in relation to the management of conflict, which of the following approaches will maximize the prospect of census? Which of the following is the purpose of the International Federation accounts? Question number 61, a poor quality literal communication will result in which of the following? Lack of direction, lack of coordination, lack of delegation, lack of control. In the context of fraud, teaming and leading is most likely to occur in which area of the operations? An individual will be a resident if he is in Pakistan for a period in all 183 days, 185 days, 182 days, 190 days. Person does not include individual, a company, federal government, none of the above. तो नन ऑफ द अबव है क्योंकि पर्सन इंडिविजुअल भी हो सकता है, कंपनी भी हो सकता है, फेडरल गवर्नमेंट नहीं हो सकती. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ कंस्टिट्यूएंट ऑफ 4 पीस? प्रोडक्ट, प्राइस, प्रोपोगंडा, प्रमोशन. तो प्रोपोगंडा. Which of the following focuses on job content, environment and condition of employment? Job description, human resource, inventory report, job analysis, none of the above. Which of the following business type has longest lifetime? Sole proprietorship, partnership, joint stock company, all of the above. Include the rules and regulations necessary to manage the internal affair of company. Memorandum of association, article of association, prospectus, all of above. Facilities are benefit provided by employer to his employee, benefit allowances. Incentive prerequisites, revenue receipt is depreciable asset, does not mean in transaction. Motive of person receiving amount will decide whether its capital or revenue receipt. Question number 73, in case of senior citizen having taxable income up to 10 lakh, rate will be reduced 25%, 35%, 50%, 60%. If the amount of credit increase in any economy, it becomes inflation stricken, deflation stricken, stagnation stricken, all of the above. Question number 75, all of these are non-banking financial institution except leasing corporation, insurance corporation, saving corporation, currency exchange corporation. Question number 76, in Islamic banking, dash is prohibited, riba, grar, participation in capital, none. 77 question था, dash or unsecured promissory note issued by well-known companies with strong and higher credit rating, treasury bill, commercial papers, banker acceptance, repos. Question number 78 हमारे पास है, there are two types of market participant if classified according to transaction volume: interbank, retail, importer and exporter, local and foreign, all of the above. Dash agreement between two parties who buy and sell currencies is specific future time at a price agreed today, forward, future, spot, none of the above. Question number 80 था, break even point is a point of no profit, no loss, no profit, no loss, none of the above. And question number 81 था, the budget control organization is usually headed by top executive director finance, manager accounts, budget director. Action of managers are generally influenced by sunk costs, performance measures, no controllable cost, GAAP. Which of the following is not involved in determining the contribution margin? Anticipated sale for the next year, fixed cost, selling price per unit, variable cost per unit. Which of the following item will not appear the balance sheet of a club? If a firm has paid super tax, its partner may follow any of the following behavior. Question number 86 says, show how net profit has been distributed in. The person who agreed to do certain work for someone is called contractee, contractor, NG, all of the above. An administrator who is appointed to take over the contract of the company for winding up is called administrator, manager, inspector, liquidator. तो उसको बोलते हैं liquidator. Which of the following is not true about opinion of financial statement? वीडियो को रोककर आप ऑप्शन पढ़ लें. Which of the following is not likely to be fraud? Risk factor relating to management, characteristics, tax evasion, failure to correct known weakness in internal control system, adoption of conservative accounting principle, high management turnover. The audit engagement letter generally should include a reference to each of the following except limitation of auditing. responsibility of management with respect to audit work, expectation of receiving written management representation letter, or decision of the auditor, method of sample selection. Audit of a bank is an example of statutory audit, balance sheet audit, concurrent audit, all of the above. In India, balance sheet audit is synonyms. Annual audit, continuous audit, detailed audit, statutory audit. When issuing unsatisfied opinion, the auditor who evaluates the audit findings should be satisfied that ऑप्शन आप वीडियो रोक कर पढ़ लें. When applying analytical procedures, an auditor should develop independent estimate of account balance to compare it to which of the following statement is not true with respect to management representation obtained as per AASI 11. For what minimum period should audit working papers be retained by audit firms? Which of the following statement is correct? Lower the sampling risk, greater the sample size, smaller the tolerable error, greater the sample size, lower the expected error, smaller the sample size, all of the correct. Which of the following feature is most important for random based collection? Which of the following is not a revenue expenses? ये हमारे पास 100 क्वेश्चन वीडियो मैंने इधर रोक दी है. आप भी पास करें क्वेश्चन, आप इनके आंसर यहाँ से मैच करें और देखें आपके कितने आंसर ठीक हैं. आई होप आपके लिए ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल हुई होगी. आपको पता चल गया होगा कि सिलेबस में किस किस्म के क्वेश्चन आते हैं, कौन सा पोर्शन इंपॉर्टेंट है, किससे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन आते हैं, एग्जामिनर किसको ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देता है. ये आपकी प्रैक्टिस तभी होगी जब आप बार बार अपने सारे सिलेबस को रीड करेंगे. इंशाल्लाह जब पेपर आप देंगे तो आपके जहन में सारे क्वेश्चन आ जाएंगे. अपना ख्याल रखिए और मेरे चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.